like an above ground pool. She loved me for the first year, then she made some bad investments. Now I'm all alone out here. I lost a bet to a friend. I gave my heart to a person, but I don't really care. I think it's worth the burden. Well, it's all downhill from here, and you got nothing left to fear. Well, the end is near, but the future's just so clear. If we're just hanging out underneath the rain clouds into our final hours, would you remember this? Or come closer and see that love isn't so deep, so sudden